All right, guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. So, as we make our coffee this morning, I need to vent about something. So, how many of you are working in treatment centers right now or private practices, wherever you're working, and you feel just overworked, overwhelmed? And I asked this question because me and two of my coworkers were having this conversation yesterday where a treatment center that I'm working at right now, part-time, they literally sprung, not on all of us, but on most of us. They sprung on us that we have biopsycho assessments that have to be done by the end of this week. And it is currently 6:03 in the morning. Just wanted to put that out there. But yeah, so we have biopsychosocial assessments that need to be done by Friday of this week. Or if not, then the company will be having issues with payroll, I guess, is from my understanding, billing purposes. And on top of that, I was also told yesterday that clients have been moved to another company. I don't know, I'm still trying to understand and figure out the logistics, but yeah, that's what I needed to vent about this morning as we make our morning coffee. So if you guys have experienced that, something close to it, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Other than that, just like I said, sitting here getting ready for work as I make my coffee. And I was also told yesterday that apparently where I live, we are supposed to get a lot of snow this weekend. So I did have plans to go out with one of my girlfriends that I haven't seen in the last few months, just due to both of us being busy with work and everything else in our personal life. So I still currently have plans to go out with her this weekend, but if they are talking about the snow that we're supposed to get this weekend, then me going out with my friend is gonna have to wait, because I looked at my weather app on my phone yesterday actually, and it had said, I could be wrong, I'll look at it again today, but it had said that we're supposed to get, it said between 14 to 17 inches of snow. So I do not know how true that is. And if that is the case, your girl is gonna be fully snowed in this weekend, studying, relaxing, binging movies, and doing nothing else. So as far as how is snow where you guys live? Do you guys get a lot? Do you guys get a little? Is it is it in between? I know for me in the state that I live in, it's been in between for the most part. I know the last time we really got snow in the state that I lived in was back in, I want to say it was 2022. Oh, that is some good coffee. I want to say it was back in 2022 when we got really bad snow. So for us to get now 14 to 17 inches, like I said, I'm going to double check today, but for us to be getting that much snow now, honestly, I welcome it. I welcome it because with the hectic, crazy day that I've had, or yesterday, I should say, I welcome the chance to just stay in the house, be snowed in, and do nothing. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here so that I can enjoy my coffee and then go ahead and slowly start getting ready for work. I will go ahead and check in with you guys tomorrow. Bye.